Hi there, here we are with our patient Alejandro. He was about 26 years old when he came into our office for the first time. After we did the first procedure, it came out awesome. He was very happy with it. We'll start from the front, we'll work to mid-scalp on the first one, and then on the second one we fill in the crown.
Yeah, it was really good, you know, everything went smooth, and it felt really good. I totally recommended the procedure. The earlier you come, the better for you. Come here, come see Dr. Bolton.
Awesome, man, I appreciate that. So here's his new hairline from the profile. So you can see this has all been recreated. We even got a nice little hairline as a classic. So here's the other side, you can be nice and reframed. Anyways, I want to thank you very much for doing this video for us.
Thank you, Doc.
Congratulations.